So one of you guys messaged me earlier today on Instagram as I was literally working out. I didn't even change. I just wanted to make this video addressing the question because it was a really good point he brought up and a question he asked, and it's something he was struggling with in his life. And I think a majority of the people struggle with this point, whether they admit it or no. So I chose to just make this video. I know it's something I struggle with, and I've been able to overcome it, which is why I can even say something on it or make a video. Yeah, let me read to you what this viewer sent. And if you resonate with this as well, you could leave comments and different things that you're experiencing in your life so I can make videos in the future. So let's get to it. So he said, I have it written down here. So he said, "Hey brother, how do I overcome the illusion of understanding given that I've become a PMO addict?" I said, "Hey, can you expand on what you mean by illusion of understanding and how are you relating it to a PMO addiction?" And for those of you who don't know, PMO just stands for porn, masturbation, and orgasm, right? So then he replied with, and I'm just going to paraphrase what he said. He said, "So what I mean by the illusion of understanding is I'll study something and feel like I understand it, but I don't actually practice it because I feel like I get it. I convince myself I can skip the practice part and just apply it when I need it in the real world. But then when that real situation comes, I realize I can't really do it. So I basically get the satisfaction of feeling like I learned something without actually building the skill. And then after studying, I feel mentally tired, and I've kind of conditioned myself to see that tiredness as a reason to reward myself with PMO, porn, masturbation, and orgasm. In my head, it's like I studied, I used my brain, I deserve this, right? So I never really saw the PMO as a problem because I justified it as a reward for doing something productive. But the problem is the learning in itself isn't really creating any lasting change because I'm not actually practicing what I learned." So I thought this was very interesting, and it's something that I've covered a little bit in different videos, but now I'm just making a video specifically on this point because it holds back a lot of people who actually want to accomplish things. Doesn't matter what area of your life, maybe it's your career, fitness, self-improvement, doesn't matter what, this applies in any area because that illusion of understanding and this sense of progress, false progress I like to call it, holds a lot of people back from actually accomplishing the things in the real world. So normally, let me share what I guess or how progress works. It works through something I like to call the progress loop. So what that looks like is you learn something, you practice it, you screw it up a few times, and then you adjust. Eventually you become competent, you get a result after that, and then it's like your brain gets this sense of reward, right? But there's also another version of this, and I like to, I guess, call that the false progress loop, let's say, right? Which is you learn something, then you get that, oh, I get it now feeling, and your brain then basically skips just to the reward part. So it's like you get a emotional paycheck before you, I guess, finish the job, right? So now let me talk about why when I was going through this point of like I would learn something and it would feel really good, and then I would just not apply it and essentially reward myself for like the feeling I got from just studying the thing, even though I didn't have created anything in the real world. And what eventually I discovered, which I didn't discover by myself, I've had several mentors and I talk about that in my videos, and they really helped me understand this point because to me, mentors are like shortcut, cheat code to success, right? And one of my mentors, he helped me understand this point of like, for me when I was little, so most of our actions and how we act comes from obviously ages between 0 and 7 when we were younger. And I realized that when I was younger, when I would do an activity, if I didn't get the result, I would never get that, I guess, excitement from my parents or the reward or the satisfaction from my parents that I did something. It's like they only would reward me most of the time emotionally and so forth when I got this massive result, whatever that was, right? But the activity leading up to that, no one rewarded me for any of that stuff. And so in my head, I created this idea that, oh, the only important part of all of this is just the result, which is really this feeling that I get when people tell me I did a good job. And so you see how that translates then to adulthood, is we stop rewarding or thinking that we get rewarded by the activities, and we just want to skip straight to that good feeling that we got as a kid. And many of us, another mentor of me said that adults are just little children in adult bodies, because like that's how we still think. We're still acting like hurt children, right? And so if you look at it in this context, I had to essentially retrain my brain and so forth, and I have certain tools and methods of doing that I share with anyone who reaches out to me. I had to retrain myself to essentially reward the little activities, right? For example, making these YouTube videos, right, for you guys. I made the activity of recording the videos, learning how to post them, how to title them, thumbnails, responding to comments, responding to DMs that I get from you guys on Instagram, all of that. Like, I started programming myself to see that as the reward, because for a while, I would say for 4+ months, I would post these long videos, and my videos only would get literally like 2 views, 5 views, 10 views. And I'm like, and half of it was probably me and my wife rewatching them over and over. And I stopped doing that because I'm like, okay, I want to know if there's real people watching. And so imagine if I just made the result of like how many views a video got or whatever, the reward. Do you see how I would never move anywhere, or I would never progress in this content creation stuff, right? Because there's no reward at the very beginning, or at least the reward being the high amount of views. That's just not how it works. And that's why many people quit on YouTube and social media and so forth so early, because the algorithm and so forth, whatever, doesn't even know what you're making videos about, right? And so even this video, I'm making it as if I'm talking to real people I know in my life that I've actually supported with these same points. I'm just assuming I'm talking to them. So you that I'm talking to right now, I wish I knew who you were. I wish you would reach out to me so I could put faces to all these numbers of like views or whatever. That would be pretty cool, okay? And so I want you to now reflect this, everything I shared, into your life of like, how do you view who you are based on what you do? Because most of us, if we're not getting these results, we see ourselves as less than other people. We compare ourselves to other people because, think about it, we only see like social media and all that stuff. Like, we're just seeing people's highlight reels, like all the wins and the good stuff, but we never really see the activity. So we just see that they're getting rewarded for how many views they're getting, or the big result, or if it's fitness, the guy who's jacked or whatever, and no one sees the progress, right? Like, even in working out, actually, I'm just gonna send some of I wasn't even planning on it, but I'll send some pictures to my editor so he could put it on the screen, like different phases of what my body went through when I was super skinny, and then I was like fat, and then I'll put a picture of like what I look like this morning wearing what I'm wearing. And so you could see, like, for me, just even the fact that I would show up to the gym, I started feeling good about that. And it's easier said than done. That's why you having other people beside you that have done it, that hold you accountable, but also reward you for the small activities. Like the mentors I've had, they played a massive key role in my life, because without their guidance and them rewarding the small actions I was taking, I would never be where I am today. Like the amount of money I created, all this stuff, the people I've helped, and sometimes like I talk about it in the videos, and we show videos, pictures and all that stuff, but I wish people could see what my life looks like, because it's like a movie. It's like incredible what life can really be, and it's so different than what I used to think it was, because I used to live with my mom was broke, like I wasn't making any money. I couldn't even get a job, like, you know, and we were always in debt. Didn't really have much money saved up. I didn't have anything saved up. I didn't have many friends. And I was just kind of like a shy, introvert, little kid in my mom's place. And I used to watch videos and feel good about watching them. And I never accomplished anything. So then the right people came into my life and they showed me how creating results in life, manifesting things in life actually worked. And it was easier and harder than I thought. It was easier because now I had the guidance, like the step by step of what to do. Like they just held my hands and helped me through it. And it was harder because obviously going through any amount of change, any type of change, is not easy because it's different than what you've done all your life, right? So, but I think having the right people beside me made it incredibly possible. I'll say that. Not easy, I'll say possible, okay? And so that's why I make these videos, to give other people the opportunity to do so. So anyway, if you resonated, or if you got anything out of it, or if this brought up memories of what you're dealing with right now, like leave that in the comment. I want to interact with you guys, interact with each other. Like I'm trying to build a community. So make sure to subscribe, watch my other videos, and I'll put up a video that I think you might like. And so I'll see you there. Peace.